How to download car driving simulator 3D application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to download car driving simulator 3D, then just head over to your Play Store just like this. And once you're inside your Play Store, then just search in for car driving simulator 3D application. So once you search for it, just ignore the sponsored application and you should see the correct application, that is our car driving simulator application or game. So now all you have to do is just click on install, and for your information it has over 592 MB in storage and it has over 10 million plus downloads all over the world and with a 3.7 ratings. So the game looks pretty good. You can check it out for yourself by simply downloading the application from over here just like this. So based on your internet connection, it should get downloaded and automatically installed on your device. So once it get completed installing, you can just tap on this play button over here and directly start playing the game from your Android device. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.